What's up, everyone? This is Hunter Sandage, CEO of CitizenDS. Today, we're going to be looking at a supply chain data set. So one of our manufacturing customers came to me and said, hey, we're really struggling with production planning because we keep having late part deliveries. We want to understand why. So let's see if we can use CitizenDS to figure that out based on their data. So here's their data set. I've already brought it in. We've sanitized the data to keep it private to the company, but they've got what material did they order? Did management escalate it? Was the part ordered inside lead time? How many phone calls they placed with the supplier trying to get things going? The variable, I guess we're going to be looking at is, did we receive the part on time? Yes or no? And then some other information. So let's go ahead and just load this file, bring it in, and see what we can learn. All right. So again, one of the things that we're going to focus on in this is, did we receive the part on time, right? So that's sort of our question. We want to understand the drivers of what causes a part to be late or not. So we're going to select that as target, and then we're going to publish it, and hopefully we can get to time to first insight in under a minute. All right, so here we go. Let's see what the drivers are for did I receive it on time. Okay, so overwhelmingly, it looks like whether or not we ordered the part inside lead time is by far the strongest predictor and driver of whether a part was received late or on time, followed by the supplier warning, the price, lead time, and so forth. So let's actually just dig in. Let's look at this ordered inside lead time and see what this looks like. Okay, so here we go. It looks like right here, right? These are all the parts, the percentages of all the parts we did not receive on time, the ones we did, and it looks like very overwhelmingly, what do we have? 87% of all of the parts we did not receive on time were ordered inside lead time. So if you think about that, right, our supplier says, hey, we need 100 days to build this thing. So, if you want it, make sure that the date that you guys want it on your dock is after those 100 days, right? So we can manufacture and build. So if we order inside lead time, it might be saying, hey, for that 100-day lead time component, we said we need it here in the next 30 days. We ordered it inside lead time. So from a logic perspective, this actually makes a lot of sense. And actually from a decision-making standpoint, maybe we just need to make sure that we're more proactive in ordering our parts and making sure that we have further line of sight out to make sure we're not having our procurement team place orders inside lead time. So this is cool. Let's go to the next factor. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, so this is again things that were late, things that were not late, and it looks like so supplier warning. Did we get a warning from the supplier? So it looks like the blue here is we were told that it would be on time. Makes sense if we look at this graph, right? If the supplier said it would be on time, most of those ended up in the yes, we received it on time. Told it would be late, which is good. So if we listen to our suppliers, if they tell us it's going to be late, it's probably going to be late. And then no communication, more so late than not. So that's another good insight. And let's just do one more real quick to see what this last one is. I think this is price. Okay. So if we look at this is actually pretty interesting. So again, things that are late, things that were on time. It looks like the average price of the components that were late was much higher than those that we received on time. And I actually think that this is probably due to the fact that things that take longer to build, higher lead time, are going to be more expensive. And so we actually see that relationship sort of play out between, we knew that lead time thing was an issue. This, I think, is just another sort of view into that same window. So, all right. We use CitizenDS, time to first insight, under 3 minutes. We learned some cool stuff.